Hello everyone. In this module, we will understand different Python variables. A variable is a named reference to a memory location that stores data. The value stored in a variable can change during the program execution. To understand the Python variables, again, let us go to the VS Code. For the reference, you can create a new file, and in that file, you can practice with this video together. Let us consider first example. If I am writing x equal to 10. So here, x is a variable storing the value n. There are mainly two features of variable. The first one is the dynamic typing and second one is the mutable in nature. So what is the meaning of dynamic typing? Here as you can see we have written x equal to 10. So here x represents the integer type. We may also write like name equal to Python. So here you can see by default interpreter understand that it is of string. Same way if I am writing z equal to 3.40. So here interpreter will understand it as dot. So here no need to declare the data type explicitly. Python determines it automatically. Second is the value of the variable can be reassigned based on the requirement. So here first the value of x is equal to 10. So if we are printing value of x, it gets printed as the 10. If we want to change its value, we can also write x equal to 20. So now the value of x is being 20. So if we print x, again Python will consider its value as 20. Let us run the program. So here you will see that the first value of x is 10 and secondly value is 20. So I hope you got the idea how to create different variables. There are certain rules are there for naming the variables. So let us understand the rules for naming variables. First rule is we must start with a letter or underscore. So suppose I want to provide a variable name, the valid underscore variable equal to 10. So this is the valid variable name as it is starting with the letter. Or you can also start with the underscore, that is underscore private equal to 5. So again this name is valid. Second important rule is we cannot start with a digit. So suppose the name is one variable equal to 10. So as you can see here, Python highlights it with the red color. That means this name is not valid. So keep in mind that we cannot start the variable name with digit. Let us comment it to avoid the error. Third important rule is it can contain letters, digits and underscore in its combination. Means if I am keeping variables underscore 1 equal to 5, so again this name is valid. Fourth rule is Python variable name is case sensitive. That means if I am keeping age equal to 25 and second capital A with the same name age equal to 30, so these both variable names are different. So again this point is important to note, the variable names are case sensitive in the case of Python. And the last important rule is we cannot use reserved keywords. Now what is the meaning of reserved keywords, that we will understand in our further sessions also, but you can think like that the keywords like if, else, for, which are inbuilt available in the Python, these same names we cannot assign as a variable names. So I hope you got the idea how to define the variable name in Python. In our next video, we will understand how to assign the values to the variable in the different manners.